it's in a rough spot.
Yep.
Yeah, it's in a rough spot. So, there's two ways I can do this. Every RV is set up differently.
Okay.
And by me saying that, some of these panels they come off in sections.
Okay.
So this one's gonna come off all the way. There's two ways I can go about this. Removing this whole panel up here, this part up here, or I can crawl my happy butt in there.
You could dust it off for us?
I don't want to do that.
Oh, darn it.
I'm gonna get really dirty too.
Yeah.
It's a part of the job, but it's hot in here.
Yeah.
I do have a 50 amp service if you guys need power.
We can get the AC going then, otherwise I can't.
You got your generator?
I don't have one enough to, no, I can't run.
Oh, okay. Well, I have a 50 amp service. So what is it, a 30 amp, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. We'll run the 30 amp. That way we can stay cool in here.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know? So let's do that first. Let's run the 30 amp.
So Chris was saying that he's going to be able to reach there and not have to take off the front end, which is really nice. So we're just going to kind of watch him do that stuff.
You know what? I think this cable jumped out of place. Yeah, so I have to go on that side. Check. It looks like the cable jumped out of place right there. What was that? How long did it work? Probably about 15 minutes. Once we begin to operate it,
Okay.
we're probably going to have to do adjustments again.
Okay.
I don't like how it's set up right now, so what I might have to do is loosen it up completely and then jump a couple of tooth, which in most cases that's what's normally done.
Okay.
I don't like is that cable. I don't like that.
Oh, wow. Yeah. That's not even the one that popped out, is it? Oh, maybe it is.
So now I'm gonna crawl in there. There's more room. Boom. That's not a big issue. That's not a big deal.
Okay.
I don't like that. That's not supposed to be like that. Look at this side.
Right.
See the difference? So let's go ahead and bring it out. I'll tell you when to stop, okay? Go ahead. It works perfectly fine. But I'd rather do it right, you know? Keep going. Stop. Keep it. Yeah, this side still needs to be adjusted more. This corner is
Oh, wow.
lifted up.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is flush. Whoa. Not flush, but
Right.
you can feel the difference.
Wow.
Yeah.
I can see the difference.
Yeah. And that corner's sticking out more and this one's flush. So
Wow.
we can leave it like that. But if you want to do it the right way,
Well, I want to have it done right away.
Okay.
You have the plan,
Okay.
but I want to do it.
okay. Yeah, it's pretty much done. But the right way to do it is let it sit flush and even.